Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna explain it to you very easy. I'm gonna show you how to make the bow. So I'm gonna make it for you. You're gonna grab the ribbon and you're gonna measure half of your ribbon, however you measure it. I wanted you to do this side. I don't know if you guys can see that. This side right here is gonna be longer. So you're gonna pull it like so. You see how short it is? I hope you guys can see that. Probably not. I'm gonna have to pull back a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna show you really quick. Okay, so this side is gonna be shorter. This side is going to be longer. You're gonna bring it up. You're gonna cross it. You're gonna make sure this side is like that. You're gonna bring this through the opening. It's not gonna come out. Okay, you guys, so this is really easy. What I'm gonna tell you right now is this side is shorter. This side is gonna be longer. You're gonna bring it up. You're gonna bring it around. You're gonna put this side through the opening of the door. So you're gonna put it right there. You're just gonna slide it around. Okay? And it's gonna tighten up. You guys see that? You're gonna bring this higher because I want it higher. You're gonna bring it across and you're just gonna smooth it out. Pull it tighter. The tighter you pull it, the better it's gonna be. You're gonna bring it around and all you're gonna do right here is tie a knot. That's it. You got one piece of ribbon. You're gonna tie the knot and then you're gonna close it. Isn't that pretty? Now, if you want to go ahead and do a bow, you can go ahead and put a bow right here. Or if you want to leave it like that, I like it like that. So let me know what you guys think. I think it came out really cute.